Window tip for you, make sure you clean your windows on an overcast day because you don't want it hot because the solution will dry on your windows and leave streaks. Tip number 2, make sure to clean the inside of your windows to get rid of fingerprints before you clean on the outside. Make sure you clean the inside of your window tracks and the outside seals as well for a nice clean window. Make sure you have professional window supplies before you start to make it easier. For the windows that just have light dirt on them, I'm going to use my Soil Master mix. Soil Master is a concentrate, so I mixed it in with water in my bucket. I'm going to dunk my squeegee in. It has this nice microfiber cloth on one side. Wet your window down really well. And then it's called a backflip because then once it's all clean and scrubbed, flip it over to the other side and use my pressure and squeegee and clean it off. And 2 passes for that window makes it perfect. Here's a tip, make sure to wipe your edges so you don't see streaks inside. Okay, I'm putting Easy Clean. It's a gel cleaner directly onto the pad. My windows are wet. And then you're gonna put that right onto the glass and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes and don't let it dry. It's best to do it on an overcasty day so the solution doesn't dry, and then you're gonna rinse it off and then squeegee for a streak-free finish.